Welcome to Bike Review Hubs, your trusted destination for in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles, ATVs, and side-by-sides. Today, we're diving into the new 2026 Honda Pioneer 700, a machine designed to balance rugged utility with smooth everyday usability. This model builds on Honda's proven Pioneer lineup, offering durability, comfort, and reliability that off-road enthusiasts and workers alike have come to expect. Design and styling. The 2026 Pioneer 700 carries a robust and practical design. Its exterior emphasizes toughness, with a reinforced frame, bold body panels, and practical storage solutions. The cabin is compact yet spacious enough for two passengers, designed with comfortable seating and excellent ergonomics for long hours on the trail or job site. Honda has also refined the fit and finish, ensuring the Pioneer 700 looks modern while staying functional. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Pioneer 700 is Honda's time-tested 675 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, tuned for reliable torque and consistent power delivery. This engine is designed for both work and play, providing the grunt needed for towing or hauling while delivering a smooth, manageable ride for recreational adventures. Coupled with Honda's automatic transmission with paddle shifters, it offers flexibility whether you prefer effortless cruising or hands-on control. Utility and capability. One of the standout features of the Pioneer 700 is its impressive hauling and towing capacity. The tilting cargo bed can handle heavy loads, making it ideal for work around farms, ranches, or construction sites. With its sturdy build and selectable 2WD and 4WD modes, the Pioneer can adapt to varying terrain, from mud and snow to rocky trails, giving it versatility for both professionals and weekend riders. Comfort and technology. Honda has equipped the 2026 Pioneer 700 with a range of upgrades to improve comfort and convenience. Noise and vibration levels are reduced thanks to refined engineering. The digital dashboard keeps riders informed with key data like speed, fuel, and diagnostics. Improved suspension travel ensures a smoother ride over rough ground, while safety features such as ROPS-approved rollover protection add peace of mind. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Pioneer 700 continues Honda's tradition of blending reliability with performance. It's a versatile side-by-side that works hard during the week and plays even harder on the weekends. Whether you're hauling gear, towing equipment, or exploring trails, the Pioneer 700 proves itself as one of the most balanced and dependable machines in its class.